down, strugglers. Today I'm doing a trade recap on futures. So, as you can see on my account, on my 50k account, yesterday I was at 49k. Now I am at 48,600. So I lost $400. I said on my last video that my risk per trade, like my daily loss limit, is $400. So it looks like I took one trade and lost, and that's it. But gonna be honest, like it's gotten really bad. Like it's gotten to a point where honestly I don't even remember how many trades I took. I think I took four. I'm pretty sure I took four trades and I lost the first one. The second one was a small win. I lost the third one and I won the fourth one. So I don't even know what to say anymore. Like I'm taking way too many trades. Like I repeated like 15 times since the beginning of the week that I need to take one trade a day and I can't seem to handle a loss. Like I just can't, honestly, and it's really really hard to just stop trading when I lose. It's extremely hard, but whatever. I'm just gonna go through the trade recap real quick. And yeah, um, coming into the day, honestly, I was I wasn't really sure of the bias, but I was pretty bearish, even if we are really going higher. Now, let me explain why. As you can see, we have this higher time frame SMT with NQ and ES. So this for me was a sign that we can use this SMT to potentially go lower and reach this 4-hour unmitigated gap, as you can see right here. And now looking back, like the thing is that reading the market on the higher time frame, I can do that. It's just being patient enough to wait for my setup to fully present itself. That's when I struggle a lot. I realized that I don't have the patience to fully wait to be 100% sure that the setup is perfect to enter. I just like enter way too fast, and that's what causes me to have a lot of losses, because honestly, like it's really small dumb losses, like getting wicked out and then going to the drawn liquidity that I have. But like the overall bias, it's all right. Like it's pretty good these last few days. It's just those small little details where I just enter way too fast. My stop loss is just too tight. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go over it right now. So, as you can see, right at market open on the hourly chart. Yes, this is the hourly chart where market open, and as you can see, we went into this 1 hour fair value gap, and at that point of time, this really I was really interested in this because to go higher, because first of all we're in a bullish 1 hour fair value gap, but as you can see we formed this SMT right here, right there. So NQ didn't take the high, but as you can see, ES did right here. So we have a really nice SMT. So looking at that, oh my god, that's perfect. Let me try to go a little bit higher, but not too high, since we're already at all-time high. I'm not really sure if price fully wants to go from this fair value gap to this high. So let me try to target something, maybe a discount, a premium, sorry, area, and we had this 5-minute gap right here, which was really nice to target. That's where it got really tricky. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't even remember where I executed. That's how bad it is. Like I was taking way too many trades, but I think I need to do these recaps as soon as this session ends. But it's just that I have to go leave for work. But whatever. As you can see right here, as soon as we had this really nice SMT, like this was a perfect setup. Like looking back, really nice right here, SMT, and right there, I remember I entered right here, think I entered right here on this SMT, and we had a change in the state of delivery, and like this is a perfect example of entering way too early. Now the reason why is that we have this 1 minute bearish Farai gap, right? As you can see right here, we fully respected it at first, and then sweeping this lower here. And for me, like this was like a turtle soup, right? Maybe as soon as we had this change in the state, I was like, okay, this 1 minute is not valid anymore, so we can potentially go higher from there right now. And I got wicked out again. Price stopped me out right there. And yeah, looking back, honestly, trading the 1 minute, I need to see a opposing for value gap. I need to see a clean V shape, a clear momentum going back up, because this is not enough. Like this, look at this choppiness on the 1 minute. Like trading on a 1 minute, I need to see fast price action, right? And honestly, once I saw that, of course, I couldn't close my laptop. I had to stay again and look because I was so confident in the trade. Like that's, I can't just close everything. Anyways, as soon as I saw after this really nice inversion on the 1 minute, um, this was really nice, but I decided to wait a little bit more. And as soon as we had this change in the state right here, that's where I entered again. Right here, targeting this 5 minute gap right here. As you can see, this was really nice. Like this is what I needed to do to just patiently wait a little bit more to have more confidence. And I think I took a small win, like a $500 win. But at that point, once we reached that 5 minute, that's where I wanted to go short. That's where I wanted to see price maybe respect this 15-minute gap to potentially go lower and reach the 4-hour unmitigated gap that I talked about earlier. And again, I did the same thing. I was looking at the 1 minute, trying to find the perfect entry, like perfect entry. Look what I did. We had I think an SMT right here. We like took this high, and then I saw this change in the state right here, and I entered right there with a really tight stop loss, trying to get a fucking 6-hour trade. Like I don't know, I don't even want to talk about it. Like I'm honestly mad at myself looking back at it, and of course I took a loss again. I took a loss, and at that moment of time I was like, why am I staying so much on the 1 minute? That's where I decided to just go on the 15 minute and see what is truly happening, man. What the fuck is happening on the higher time frame? Because I'm tired of looking at the 1 minute. Like it's pissing me off. Anyways, 15-minute SMT right here. Like I said, we disrespected this 15-minute bearish gap with a full closure below. We are pulling back into this 15-minute gap right here, and what do we have? An SMT right here. And honestly, like I didn't even went to the 5 minute. I was like, okay, we have a really nice candle closure right here on the 15 minute. As soon as we went a little bit there, I took a sell, stop loss right here. Well, I already did it right here, and boom, like I went to work, I came back, price hit TP. It's as simple as that. Like I just need to stop overcomplicated things, and I need to stop staring at the 1 minute. Like I need to stop staring at the 1 minute chart. Like it's so dangerous, and I need to have bigger stop losses. Like risking $400 per trade, like I need to have a safe stop loss, like not some dumb 1 minute wicks because there's like an SMT internally, and like fuck that. I just need to look at the higher time frame, because this trade was perfect, like literally a 1 to 3 targeting the 4-hour. Unfortunately, that's the thing. This was a perfect trade, but I had to risk $200. Oh my god. Honestly, it's so embarrassing to say it, but I was as you can see, I was at 48,200 before this last trade. And honestly, I was ready to blow the account. I'm gonna be honest, I was ready to blow the account. This was the last trade. I'm like, fuck it. I'm risking $200, higher time frame trade, and boom, it hits. So, um, looking back, I don't think it I even risked less, like 150 to make like 400. Like, I think it was a 2.5 hour trade. It sucks. Like, it sucks because I win where I'm risking less and I lose when I'm risking more. So, like, overall, I lost $400. But looking back, my main mistakes. Fuck, I need to look at the higher time frame. I need to stare at the higher time frame. Fuck the 1 minute, like it's fuck the 1 minute. And I even wrote a post-it right here with my, let me just zoom this out, with my strategy in 5 steps. So first, look at the higher time frame context, 4 hour plus. Are we going higher? Are we disrespecting fair value gaps? Where is the drawn liquidity, on the 4 hour or above, right? After that, are we seeking external range liquidity or internal range liquidity? In this example right here, we were seeking internal range liquidity on the 4 hour, and the reason why is that we had this SMT. Now we can retrace back to this 4 hour, which is seeking internal range liquidity, right? While training this 1 hour, we were more reaching external from this side, but I wasn't really sure that we're going to take this high, so that's why I was targeting first the 5 minute unmitigated fair value. That's my model. That's what I trade even on Forex. I plan on making like a recap on the week for Forex. That's a different story. I'm trading Forex like swing trading. Anyways, yes. So the third step is the try to find an SMT, right? So for example, right here we had this 4 hour SMT. For this example, that was valid, a 1 hour SMT. So it has to be minimum on the 1 hour. I can't be looking like for SMTs on the 5 minute, 1 minute. Like, it's so unnecessary because it doesn't go often with the higher time frame bias. So I need to be with the higher time frame context on the, my god, sorry, way on the first step right there. And fourth step, can't speak. Step number 4, the entry model. So basically, if I am on a 1 minute, I need a change in the state. Like, I can't just enter off an inverse, like it's not enough for me. But on the 5 minute and above, I can look to trade off a inverse fair value gap. Step number 5, risk management. 1 trade per day. Like, I keep saying this, but I don't do it. $400 risk per day. Now that I have only 600 left, it's gonna be 300 per day. And even now that I'm talking about this, let me just do something real quick. On the settings right here, risk, I forgot where it was. Trade limits, maximum trades per day, personal date, there you go, 300, do nothing, liquidate and block. So basically this is, as soon as I lose 1 trade worth $300, I'm being locked out of the account for the whole day. Like, I'm at a point where I need to do that. So this is perfect. Anyways, yeah, back to the charts. 5th step, and honestly, I need to look for a window of opportunity from 9:30 to 11. If I don't find one, I can look at the PM session from 1:30 to 3:30. That's basically it. I just need to respect that and just take 1 trade a day and just build that, because I'm new to this. Like, it's gonna take time. I'm aware of it. I'm probably gonna blow this account. I don't even know, but the point right now is to just build good habits. Just take that 1 trade a day, nothing else. Being patient and just build data. So over time, I can see what works. I can see if I have an edge, right? And that's why I'm making these daily recaps, so I can look back on myself. And if you're watching, like, hold me accountable, man. If you're seeing this, like, on the next trades, tell me, what the fuck are you doing? You didn't respect that rule. You didn't respect that step. So But it's mainly for me so I can look back and journal. But if you're seeing this, like even like tell me your Instagram or something. I'm gonna hold you accountable as well. Whatever, whatever. Let's just hold each other accountable. This was the trade recap for today. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Maybe there's CPI, so of course it's gonna be after CPI. Either way, it's before market open. But I'll see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade. And yeah, peace out, guys.